Welcome to BA4Space in this edition of Space Startup Roundup Follow-Up. This is the portion where we touch base and follow up with those who we have mentioned on the show and get more insight into their progress, their failures, pivots, and strategies. This week we talk about Voyager Space Tech from our very first episode of BA4Space Startup Roundup. And as you may recall, Voyager Space TEchonologies said they wanted to make space economy more sustainable and profitable, which I thought was a little vague, but as you may also recall, in the weaknesses portion of the SWOT analysis, I stated that if they have a secret sauce, it should focus on the software as a solution to those problems, not the hardware itself. Well, it turns out that is exactly what a Voyager intends to do. I received a message via LinkedIn from one Colby Tunick, who is in charge of business development and government affairs for Voyager. And while Colby wasn't one of the brash, fresh-faced young go-getters mentioned in the original episode, he did say that he felt my SWOT analysis was right on. He did also want to update me on the company's pivot and general direction and would like to inform us that the alpha product should be releasing next month, which was April 14th. So let's see if that's happened yet. Unfortunately, their website still isn't up, but there is plenty of time for that. And let's get to Colby's message. Travis, thank you for the article you wrote on Voyager Space Tech. Looking forward to connecting. I connected. Colby goes on to say that Voyager Space Tech is pioneering the approach to automating spacecraft design. They reference their intelligence software, which allows engineers to accurately and efficiently develop satellites. Now, reading that, I got very interested very quickly. What we have here is using industry expertise and engineering prowess to not necessarily build hardware, but to use specialized software to hone in and revamp the requirements, design, and development phases of spacecraft fabrication and assembly. And I imagine that if a proof of concept was demonstrated on the ground, it would also work in situ. So let's get back to the message. They say that Voyager's system does the heavy lifting behind mission design, quickly taking mission and reliability requirements and outputs to meet the mission's software, electrical, mechanical, and reliability standards. Their hope is to drastically streamline a design process, but that's been left virtually unchanged since the inception of space travel. But let's keep an eye on Voyager Spacecraft Technologies, and perhaps they can delight us with a website soon followed with regular social media updates. Thanks again, Colby. Keep us apprised of any major milestones you want to share with us. And until next time, this is Travis Neal with the Space Startup Roundup Follow-Up with Voyager Space Technologies, and I will see you all next time.